Hi, my name is Matthew Gorton, and this is Hunter Enoch. And for our application, we decided to use Bandwidth's API with Catapult to develop a web application that would allow you to send anonymous texts and, unlike most of the other applications on the internet, be able to receive them as well from that same application. So what our program is designed to do is we are able to request a number through either a basic or premium number, and it comes up on the on a top bar where you can select the number. You can request multiple at a time, and then you can use the number to, in this bottom corner here, send messages to whatever number you choose, whether it be other numbers through this application or to any other phone that we've tested, and we've tested across carriers such as Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and anyone else's whose friends we could get their phone numbers. So our key design feature is the fact that the way our software works is after you're done with the phone number, it erases the history on that phone number. You'll rent it out for 10 minutes. You can use the basic numbers to send text and receive text to whomever you need, and after 10 minutes, that number is revoked, and the history on that number is completely wiped off. Premium numbers are similar to basic numbers in where you can send and receive texts, but the slight difference between premium and basic is premium numbers allow you to receive texts from numbers that you have not texted first. So say you want to sign up for a service that's requiring you to put in your phone number, but you are not entirely sure of the security of the service, and so you don't want to give them your real phone number. You can use our application to rent the premium numbers and give them that premium number, where they would then send you the phone authentication. You could authenticate it via our application, and then after 10 minutes, that phone number's wiped off. It's then placed back in the basic pool, which means it could no longer receive texts from that service if anyone else got that number from being passed out, and you never have to worry about that number again. And then Hunter's going to explain our back end of how we did this process.
Our backend is built on Node.js. We get calls to Bandwidth to get the numbers we have in the account. We just have a giant pool of numbers, and each time someone wants one, we get one from the server. If someone wants a premium number, we get a new number from Bandwidth, and once they're done with that number, we put it back into our pool. If we run out of basic numbers, then we also get a new one from Bandwidth, and it just automatically gets put into the basic pool. So theoretically, it cannot run out of numbers. We also are running on HTTPS with SSL handshake, which means it's really encrypted, and the anonymous part is what we were really going for, so that you could use this and not worry about feeling unsecure or anything. So you can see that it's running on HTTPS right now. And this is a live demo. As Matt said, we've tested it on multiple devices, and it's worked great. Yeah. And you can see this is the number I used earlier. So my number is up there. Now Matt's number is also up there. And we can switch between both of those as different conversations and engage in them completely, sending messages back and forth. And And those bars at the top are slider bars, so it could theoretically support an infinite amount of numbers going across there. It slides very nice. It was built on top of Bootstrap, so it looks really nice on mobile devices too. So it was built to be used on any sort of device.